Project managers have one goal, and it's an easy one. All they have to do is keep everything running smoothly while somehow juggling 100 moving parts. And if you've ever tried to do that using just spreadsheets, well, you'll know how quickly things can go off the rails. Enter Monday.com, a work management platform that's kind of like a Swiss Army knife for organizing projects, tasks, and teams. But is it any good for project professionals like you? I've decided to find out by making a short series of videos that look into everything that project managers need to know about using Monday.com, including the good. Oh yeah, I like that. The bad. Okay, it's not exactly obvious how to get budget back. And the ugly. Okay, so my first attempt on this hasn't gone particularly well. Because I've changed the labels on status, that now affects what happens on timeline. It also impacts whether it considers something completed. So how do we get this series started? Well, how about we just create a Monday.com account? Okay, I've opened up Monday.com. I can see it's giving me straight away an option on asking me what I would like to manage, and I can select projects from there. I just want to scroll down, make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, what would you like to manage? Projects and tasks. That all looks right to me. Okay, project planning, that all looks good. They've got Gantt charts, nice. No credit card needed, unlimited time on free plan. Sounds great. I want to manage projects. Okay, I'm just using my Google account to log in here. I'm going to say this one's work related. And I'm going to say I'm a freelancer. What would I like to focus on first? Ooh, let's just say project management. When did I hear about you? I've seen Monday.com advertising everywhere. I think the first time I saw their advertising, I think it was on the London Tube. So I'm going to put billboard, public transit ad. Okay, it's given me a chance now to invite other people who work in my team to come and join on this piece of work. So that's a useful feature. I'll say remind me later. Signing up was straightforward, but it wasn't immediately clear to me that I was starting on the 14-day free trial with the Pro features. Now that's a great way to explore the platform's full capabilities, or it's a really great way to get you hooked onto the full capabilities before requiring you to pay the full price to keep them later on. Now here's something that really did surprise me. During the trial, you're on the Pro plan, and suppose you love it, and you want to keep using it. Well, there's a catch. Paid plans require a minimum of 3 seats. So this isn't great value if you're flying solo. But don't worry, you can downgrade to the free plan. And this isn't just a teaser, it does offer quite a bit. With the free plan, you get 2 seats, access to 3 boards, and I think you get 200 items or tasks that you can spread across your boards. At the end of my trial, I will downgrade to the free version, and I'm going to give feedback on that. In upcoming videos, I'll dive deeper into Monday.com's features, the Gantt charts, the Kanban boards, customizable dashboards, and various automations, and I'll judge on whether they can be tailored to fit your project's needs. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss them, and I'll see you next time.